Now, yesterday I said I would put some benefits out there and I was going to try to roll with benefits, hoping people would just pick up on benefits and go. That's not it. So I put a couple benefits out there yesterday. I can't say what happened to the ones that was on the streets because I'm not around them, so I don't know which way they went with their benefits. But as far as the one over here giving Angie the benefit, putting her benefit out there, do you see why I don't like putting people benefit out there? Put her benefit out there that like that yesterday, and within an hour she had got consumed. There is no benefit there for her anymore, except for she need to be stopped. All them kids and kids and kids and kids that she got need to be stopped. It's Tamika don't give her money and send her away with her kids now. She caught herself being out there for her, not talking to them supposed to be false neighbors, really doing her. That's not what happened. Her benefit got put out there. All them motherfuckers, geek bags, tried to bum rush her, and they knocked her off. That filthy big head. All them motherfucking geek off of geek bags. Heard her benefit. Soon as Miss Tamika got away from talking about her and her benefit, all the geek bags around this motherfucker scuba scabbered her. Somebody caught her off with a dot ejaculation, a couple dollars, and she went all the way backwards. She went to knocking back on their doors to my neighbors and all that shit yesterday. All the way the fuck backwards. She cannot get what the fuck she could have got for her and them kids out there lying to her motherfucking self, trying to lie to others. She really should have buckled the fuck down yesterday when her benefit was put the fuck out there. She really should have left them motherfuckers alone in this square in the trap zone and really sat out there by herself, or really went to visit with her kids if she got lonely. That's not what the fuck she did. The motherfucker scuba scabbered her and looked out the window. Within an hour, she was out there running around knocking on their door like a motherfucking chicken with her head cut off. That's how that shit had fucked her up and dranked her backwards that motherfucking fast. Them motherfuckers bum rushed her, threw her off. And when she took it, she didn't even realize she was out there going backwards, banging on their doors and shit, looking dumb as fuck. She might get it this morning or might have got it late last night. But she ain't realized it after she took that hit. She was out there looking like a chicken with her head cut off. That's why I don't like putting people benefits out there. They're not strong. They weak motherfuckers. And they can get fucked and sucked and dotted and coupled out. They motherfucking come up just within a motherfucking matter of minutes. The fuck would I look like going around saying all that good for when it's gonna turn into shit anyway, and then I gotta go around and cuss you out anyway. And I gotta go around and cuss it and motherfucking and fuss it and motherfucking send you your curses back for anyway. It ain't worth putting your benefit out there. Not in these times. Motherfuckers get that filthy big head and get bum rushed and get sent all the way backwards. Hey, what's up, Lil? Hey. You a friend or something, man? Hey. Later, once I play these videos or put them out, I'll tell you what the bird was speaking about. It's saying something, it's speaking something, but I'm doing business right now, so I'm not taking the information from the bird to put it out there because I'm doing my own business right now. But it's on the video, so when I'm playing it later, I can tell y'all what the bird was saying.